In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to take a scrolling screenshot on your Android device. If this guide is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This feature is really handy because it allows you to capture more content in a single screenshot. To begin, open the app where you want to take the screenshot, whether it's your settings or a browser. I'll demonstrate this using Chrome. Here, I've just searched for YouTube. The first step is to take a regular screenshot, which you can do by pressing the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. Once the screenshot is captured, you'll see a preview of it with a button next to it. Tap that button, and it will automatically scroll down to capture more content. After that, head to your gallery, and you'll see the screenshot is much longer than what fits on the screen. It's as easy as that. If you found this guide useful and want to see more tutorials like this, please like the video and subscribe. You can also check out our channel for more helpful tips.